Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying your Idrive version and BMW model year. This determines the update package you need. Once done, backup navigation, contacts, and personal settings to a USB drive or cloud. Make sure the backup completes. Plug the car into a charger or confirm battery is above 50%, and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot so downloads won't fail. Now locate the Software Update menu in Settings and choose Check for Updates to start fetching files. You'll see the Update Package download. Monitor file size and available storage. Large packages may be several gigabytes. After download, select Install and accept the license agreement, then choose which modules to update if prompted, such as maps or system firmware. The system will validate files and prepare the installation. Do not switch off the ignition, exit the vehicle, or unplug the USB. If the screen goes dark during an install, that's normal. Wait for the progress bar to finish before taking any action. Once installation completes, the system will reboot. Verify the new Idrive version in Settings and test critical features like navigation, Bluetooth, and vehicle profiles. If something looks off, make sure the update finished fully and then perform a soft reboot by holding volume and power for about 20 seconds. If the update failed, retry using a freshly formatted USB or a different, stable Wi-Fi connection, and record any error codes displayed. These help dealer techs resolve deeper firmware issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.